Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, push start ignition. Got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 4MATIC has 34,347 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.